Hello! I just thought I would pop on and do a little impromptu live. I was preparing some things for my customers to send out their new catalogues, and I thought I would just share some of the new stuff that I've got from the catalogue, because as a demonstrator we're allowed to purchase some things from the catalogue in advance of it going live. This catalogue will launch on the 3rd of May, and it's got some brand new in colours in it. So I've bought some of the in colour products. So these are the new colours that will be around for 2 years. And we've got Starry Sky, Sweet Sorbet, Orchid Oasis, Parakeet Party and Tahitian Tide, which I think at the moment looks to be my favourite. I don't know if we've got anybody watching. I don't think so. Nope. Parakeet Party and Tahitian Tide, which I think at the moment... Sorry about that. I was just checking to see if we had anybody watching. Didn't realise that I had my volume up on my computer as well. So anyway, I've got card in each of these colours, and the people I'm sending a catalogue to will receive a little sample of each of the pieces of card on this little bookmark. Nice and handy to keep your place in your catalogue when I send that to you. Hope to get them out quite soon. There's a designer series paper, which has obviously double-sided, always with Stampin' Up paper, and these are the designs this year, like that. They're all nice and pretty. So you get 4 different patterns for each of the colours, and you'll get that for all of the other... Hi Valerie! You'll get that for all of the other colour families as well, but just got the in colours just now. Really pretty. I really do like that. Tahitian Tide. So nice. So first impressions, what do you think would be your favourite? Starry Sky, Parakeet Party, I'm trying to remember, Orchid Oasis, Tahitian Tide and Sweet Sorbet. Is that right, Valerie? So I didn't buy all of the ribbon in each of the colours, because I wasn't sure what it was actually like, because it was described as being metallic, and we've had metallic ribbon before that was really quite stiff and difficult to tie, but this one's a lot softer, so I will be buying the rest of them, I would imagine. I just didn't want to splash out on all of them when I might not actually like the texture of it, but it's nice and smooth and quite soft, and as you can see, fairly easy to manipulate as well. So actually that's so nice, isn't it? So super shiny. Love it. And I got the embellishments, which are matte decorative dots, but what I didn't realise from the catalogue, and it's always great when you see things in real life, is that they come in different shades. So you've got a dark one that is quite similar to the ink, and then it fades off to a lighter variety there as well. So they're nice. And you've obviously, oops, I've just pinged one off somewhere. You've obviously got the different sizes in that as well. So that was the in colour stuff that I got. So really looking forward to playing with that. I've not had a chance yet, but I have played with some other stuff that I got. Hi, Jacqueline. Valerie's loving them all. Yes, me too. I got some other embellishments. So these are the 2021 to 2023 in colours. So the ones we got last year are continuing. And these are opal rounds. So they're really quite sparkly. Do like them. So bought myself those and got myself some glossy dots as well. Nice bright colours. I got Sending Smiles bundle. Let me just show you what that looks like. So we've got these dies that layer up, so you can have the two pieces, the sending and then a background to go with it as well. Nice handy sentiment dies there that go with all of these ones here, that you could chop and change as well, actually. So you could just say birthday wishes across the miles, a note of thanks to brighten your day, or anything like that. So, but I'm really looking forward to playing around with these stamps and layering them up. And I think they will look fabulous with these new in colours as well. So that bundle. I got myself one set of standalone dies. I used to use the stitch shape dies that we had. I used them all the time, and I really missed having the stitched circles. So we've got lots of them, and we've got squares and these banners as well. So again, looking forward to playing with those. I would imagine that'll be a staple that you'll see on lots of my projects coming up. Then I bought myself the Nature's Prints, and the designer series paper on this is gorgeous. So we've got, what are the colours? Granite Grey, Night of Navy, Pacific Point, and the new Starry Sky on that. Lots of beautiful designs. I think that one might be my favourite. Can't quite get that all in 12 by 12 paper there. And that's the other side of that one, like a nice sky. Oh, I like that. Again, that's picking up the Pacific Point on there. Stripies. Always got to have a stripy one. Oh, that's like these seed head ones. That's pretty. And a nice grey granite. So these grey designs and this stripy one be quite good for some masculine cards as well. And the dots. Oh, that could make your eyes go a wee bit funny. Lots of dots. Valerie's hoping that she ordered that. I don't know what that was, but you probably did. You know what you like. Very nice. So, loving those combinations. That is so pretty. Really pretty. And will work fabulously with the Nature's Prints stamp set. Looking forward to using that. Always love a stamp set with some splodges in it, but I really do like that font as well, and the hello there, heartfelt thank you, best wishes, happy thoughts, you're on my mind. Really nice stamp set. There's a Fern 3D embossing folder. Opened most things, but haven't opened that. pretty. Let's see if I put something in there that might help you see that a bit better. Where's a bit of card? That is really nice. Liking that. And the dies that go with this suite. This kind of wreath shape one was pretty much one of my, that was kind of like, oh, I have to have that. I do love a wee wreath die that you can build up with different things. And that label die will fit with quite a few of the sentiments in the stamp set as well. Yep, good. Some extra wee bits of foliage, and then you've got some of the dies will coordinate with some of these. So we've got one for that, one for that, one for that, and one for that. Perfect. Love it when they coordinate. So that was that suite. That was Nature's Prince. And then I do not normally buy masculine sets, but I went for this one. So he's all that. We've got Father's Day coming up in June, so that'll be handy for that. Holy smokes, you're amazing. Great for guys that like to barbecue. Happy birthday to a classic. Together for the long haul. Every day with you is another adventure. True. To the man who does everything. Hello, handsome. Love this guy. And then there's a couple of other little bits and pieces in there. The dies to coordinate. So we've got circles, flags, that wee kind of, it's almost like an Argyle pattern, isn't it? So lots on that. These rustic metal adhesive dots, I've used quite a few of them because my customers will be receiving a card made with this suite, which is why there's bits of the paper missing as well. Let me open this and show you in a bit more detail. Hi Elaine, how are you? Hope you're feeling a little bit better. Right, so I'll take out those bits that I've chopped. So brilliant card for some, brilliant paper for somebody who loves a barbecue. Who doesn't love a barbecue? And we've got Cajun Craze on the back of that. Let me just double check all of the colours. Oh, it must be on the plastic on that one. Yeah. So we have Basic Black, Cajun Craze, Crushed Curry, Early Espresso, Sahara Sand, and Soft Succulent. Cajun Craze, not a colour I use an awful lot of, but I think this will force me out of my creative comfort zone to start using it a bit more. I do like Early Espresso. That's a nice combination, isn't it? Glad you're on the mend, Elaine. Good to see. Love that combination as well. With the sort of classic cars and motorbikes on there. And then I wondered where the soft succulent was. There it is. Camping, wilderness type things, and more checks on that. So it's not totally masculine. You know, I used to be a petrol head. I certainly would appreciate a card with that paper. And any person that's into the outdoors would love a project with that on it as well. And to be perfectly honest, when I looked at this in the catalogue, I didn't realise it came with all of these. So you get 2 sheets of this. Would be absolutely fabulous for scrapbooking. So if you're into scrapbooking and you go family outdoor adventures, then this would be fab. Love that wee camper van with the surfboard on the top of that. Cheers to all your years, you're a champ, more cars, you're a classic, my man, looking sharp. So yeah, even just the wee stars and things like that, nice and handy. And as I say, you get 2 sheets of that. So my customers will look forward to receiving, so that anybody that's ordered in the last 3 months will receive a free copy of the new catalogue, including one of those bookmarks that I've just lost. And also a card made with products from this suite here. And I think that's all I got. Yes, it is. Nothing else in the box. Nothing else. So, I hope you like seeing what I've got. If you don't already have a Stampin' Up demonstrator and would like a copy of the catalogue, just send me a message. And if I've got spares, I can send you one as well. But if you've ordered recently, you will definitely get one anyway. Thank you so much for joining me. Just thought I would pop on because husband's away to the football, so I've got an empty. I thought I might as well make use of the fact that he's not downloading something or streaming something, and I might actually have decent internet for a wee change. Take full advantage. So thank you. Any questions? If you'd like a copy of the catalogue, just get in touch. Thanks for watching. Take care until the next time. Bye.